The Kitchen Carnival. Make your own black or white bat mask. To make the black or white bat mask, you need an empty cereal packet, a toilet roll inner, kitchen foil, scissors, a glue stick, a pen or pencil, a paper clip or hair grip, something to draw a straight line with, black or white paint. If you don't have a brush, you can sponge it on, and an empty yogurt pot, jelly pot, bottle top or similar to make the nose. Unglue the cereal packet and cut off one side and the back or front of the packet. Take the back or front of the packet and mark the centre of each side on the printed surface. Join the marks to form a cross. Now join the marks the other way to make a diamond shape. Cut out the diamond shape. Now you have 4 card triangles and a diamond. The triangles will be the ears. Next, draw a line down the cross from the centre of your diamond. Make another line below the centre of the cross and join them up. Cut this out, it will be what you look through. Hold up the diamond and look through it, then make the hole bigger if necessary. Now take your yogurt pot or whatever you're using for your nose. Glue around the edges and stick it on above the eye hole on the plain side of the card. Next, take the side of the packet and cut it in half to make 2 thinner strips. Glue the strips together to form one longer strip. Then, glue a triangle on each side of the join. Each ear must have its straight edge on the outside. Now join the band at the front with your paper clip or hair grip. Try it on your head and adjust the band as necessary to fit loosely. Mark the join before you remove the clip so you know where to glue. Now glue the front together. You can put the clip back on to hold it in place while it dries. Now put glue on the outside of the headband where you've joined it together and put it back on your head. Hold up your diamond till you can see through the hole. Then push it onto the glue on the headband to fix it into place. Now it's ready to paint. Acrylic paint covers best, but use whatever you have available. You can use an old bottle top as a paint palette. You'll probably need to use more than one coat of paint. You might want to weigh down the mask while it's drying. Make the rest of the mask parts while you're waiting. Cover one side of each of the remaining triangles with foil. These are the inner ears. Check you're covering the correct sides. Next, cut off some squares of foil to make 2 large and 2 small balls. If you have cotton wool available, you can wrap this in foil to make the larger balls. These are the bat's eyeballs and nostrils. Now cut the toilet roll inner into 3. 1 part will make the mouth and 2 will make the eyes. Cut into each eye at regular intervals to make the lashes. Curl the card up with your fingers. Next, cut off 2 lashes from each corner. Glue one of the large foil balls into each eye and leave them to dry. Then, wrap the remaining piece of toilet roll in foil and wrap another piece of foil around one end to finish the mouth. Now take the top of your cereal packet and cut it in half to make it thinner. Wrap the card in foil to make the tongue and use your fingers to curl the tongue up. Then glue one end of the tongue and stick the tongue into the mouth. When the paint is dry, glue the mouth into place below the eye hole. Glue the back of the eyeballs and stick them onto the headband. Glue the insides of the ears and fix them into place, and stick the small balls onto the nose to make nostrils. Now you're ready to make your wings.